Hey everybody, it's almost Christmas. We're getting there, and I'm in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, and this place, it never stops amazing me how much effort they put into these Christmas lights. The video really doesn't do it justice. It's at a church. It's called Rima Bible College, something like that. It's like a Bible college and church. Anyway, they always have just an absolutely spectacular light show. Anyway, I wanted to say Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to everybody. 2023, like every year, has its ups and downs for everybody, and everyone's just got to keep on keeping on, you know. I've noticed I've got 5,800 subscribers, which surprises me. I never thought I'd get more than like 100 because these videos are really just meant for friends and family, I guess. They're not really targeted at any particular group of people. But if you enjoy my videos, then I appreciate it. I'm gonna be kind of shocked if I get 6,000 subscribers, to be honest with you. I'll be kind of blown away by that. The only thing that I know about my subscriber base is that they're over the age of 35. And they're all over the world. Like, there isn't one particular country that makes up the overwhelming majority of the views, interestingly enough. So I've got quite an international crew of the people that watch my videos. So I thank you all, and if I hit 6,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be shocked. I feel like I'll have to do some sort of a giveaway. You know, if I get to you know another 1,000 subscribers or something like that, I feel like I need to do some sort of a giveaway. I just feel compelled to do it. Anyway, we'll see what I can come up with. Anyway, everybody be safe out there. Take this time to visit with friends and family. You know, make the time. I know it's not easy. It's not easy to make the time. We're all busy, but do try to make the time. It's worth it. Go see people you haven't seen in a while. You know, go take some time off. Do things that make you happy. Go visit places you've been meaning to go visit. And you know, try something new. Treat yourself. Do something nice for yourself.
I am not sure.
It's never a bad decision to do something nice for yourself. And go out and see some cool Christmas lights. Go find the most elaborate Christmas light display you can.
There's a monkey right there, just like you. Did you see it? There's a monkey.
I don't know where they get these. They have these, you can't really tell from the video, but they have these meteor shower lights up here, kind of hidden, or mixed in, I should say, not hidden, mixed in with the rest of them. And they're like, I don't know, they're probably about 3 feet long. Each individual like light tube is about 3 feet tall. And I have tried and tried to find them, and I cannot. I don't know where they get these awesome meteor shower lights from.
First was Crohn's disease.
Because I would have those year round.